Okay, so we will now talk about logarithms, no? Before it was more on algebra nga ako, ano. This one is just an extension, no? So by definition, mo na ni siya iyang definition, no? So if m, no, if a number m is raised to the power of x is equal to y, no, then the log of base the log of y, no, log of that number to the base m is equal to x. So if atonin ko nun kani siya padung dres x, no, kung atong i-map ba, no, ang base, no, oops, sa maning ko na up, waka timing m, okay, then y. So to better remember this one, you just say log of a number to the base m, no, m base niya m is equal to the exponent, or x, no, is equal to x the exponent. Okay, so mara na the logarithm of number y to the base m is the number that will raise m to the power of y to get y rather. Okay, so there's no logarithm of a negative number. So if you have a negative number, it will give you an error, no? The logarithm of a number consists of two parts, the characteristic and the mantissa. So the logarithm of 1 to any base is equal to 0. Okay? Because kung ano man, no? The logarithm of 1, meaning 1 ni siya to any base is equal to 0. So that means if number is raised to the power of 0, you'll get 1. No? Okay, so rules of logarithm. So mo ni nakapakuha niya, no? Powerful ano niya. So log of m to the power of x is equal to x log m. So mo ni power niya, no, kung gamiton na to sa algebra. Kay ang exponent mahimo na lang siyang coefficient, no. Kabantay mo, nahimo na siyang coefficient. So if that's the case, sayo nakaistanan, no. Okay? So next is log of m times n. You have log of m. So the operation is multiplication, but ngari you can add, no. So muna siya dia different perspective on how you solve, no. So m over n still the same, no, almost the same as this one, but this one is kanino minus na dere, no, if it's a division operation. Okay, and then log ln of e is equal to the log of e. Money ang interpretation, no? The logarithm of e of to the base e is equal to 1. Kay base man siya, no? And then kani ang number, so yang exponent 1, no? So it's like saying e to the power of 1 is equal to e. Okay? So this time you have log of 10 to the base 10 is equal to 1, no? So 10 to the base 1 is equal to the exponent 1 is equal to 10. Okay? So when we use ln, we mean this one ln, we have natural, no, logarithm. So it's just like writing this one, logarithm to the base e. So where e is this one, no, 2.7182818. So this is a repeating number. Okay, it doesn't end there. You just write it ending there because it's too long, no, to write. So applications na to ani. So 4 to the power of 3 is 16. So that means logarithm of 64 to the base 4 is equal to 3. So another example is 4 to the power of x. So we want to get the value of x. So atong kung ano, no, i-convert na to. Mo ni siya, no? Log of 4. Log of 555. Logarithm of 555 to the base 4 is equal to x, no? So exponent na siya, no? Okay. Then 4. So makuha na nato ang value sa x using the calculator, no? So same here. So gi-convert lang nato, no? 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 10,000. Then, so, logarithm of 10,000 to the base 10 is equal to 4. Okay, so, kuan lang siya, no? The common logarithm, kaning log, was William Briggs, no? May nagkuha na niya, no? May come up ani niya. Invented this process. Ani maguni sa unang class, walay calculator sa una, slide rule lang, no? I think sa time ni William Briggs, slide rule was not even there, no? So they have to come up with a way to calculate numbers easily, no? So this was a way, no, to calculate logarithms, a way to calculate numbers easily. Okay, so let's move on. So another example. So 10 to the power of x is equal to 888. So you have a logarithm of 888 to the base 10 is equal to x. So nahimo na siyang x, no? So we can get the value, no, of the exponent using logarithm. Okay, so e to the x is equal to y. So makuha ra sad na siya, no? So example lang niya mao na ni, no? Makuha ra day na to ang x niya. Okay? Hope ano clear no? So far. So log of y to the base e is equal to x. So we have log of e. We already said nga log of e, no? So actually kuha na siya, no? Ano na siya, no? Safe na siya. So anyway, so ln y is equal to x. So natural logarithm invented by John Napier, no? Ay ka kuha na, ay og confused. Do not be confused. So natural logarithms was invented by John Napier. Okay, so next is this example, no? M to the power of x is equal to y. So to get x, we have antilog, no? We call it the antilog, no? So x is the antilog. Y is the antilog of x. Okay. So this is another term, no, for y. So kanino? Actually, this is the number which result from this. Okay. So what's the antilog of this one? So you already know what is antilog. Okay, so next is a to the power of 0 mo na niya ganina, no? Equal to 1. So logarithm of 1 to the base a to any base is equal to 0. Okay? So an example, so we have this one, no? The logarithm of the nth root of x, no? So the logarithm of the nth kn man, no? Nth root of x. So what we will do is convert this one, no, to x to the power of 1 over n. Okay? So we convert this to log. So we will have a log of this one. So we have muna ni siya, ano? Ang power niya mahimo ng coefficient 1 to the power 1 over n logarithm of x. So which is the answer here. Okay, so muna nowadays ubos din. Okay. So muna na siya. Muna na yung process din, no? Okay. Okay. So muna to akong i-explain ganina, no? So let's proceed. So we have another example. So log of 3.2 to the base 10. So i-calculate ra ni siya, no, using a calculator, no? So kuan ra ni siya, na-process nga to, you study your calculator how you can do it, no? So another example is what is the characteristic mantisa of the common logarithm of 9.26? So mantisa characteristic, so muna ni siya, no? Characteristic 0, no? Or yeah, characteristic 0, and then the mantisa is kani 0.9661. Okay? So blue man siya, no? Okay? Ito na lang i-arrow, no, para kuan. Oops. Pagkaubot na. Okay? Then mantisa kana. Okay. So hope that's clear. Another example, solve for x. 7.4 times 10 to the negative 4. So we have e is equal to e to the power of negative 9.7x. So this is an equation. No? So here, this is an equation. Okay, so how do we solve this one? So we extract no ln, no, okay, because the base is e, so it would be more it will be more convenient for us to use ln, no. So ln, so kani ayaw na lang ni siya o kuan na, no, ay na lang ni siya gusba. So just get a calculator, compute for this, so you get negative 7.20886. So however this one we have to get the this value here, no. So we make it a coefficient. So this one becomes the coefficient negative 9.7x. Actually, sorry, this is x, no, x good, no, not times, no. 9.7 negative 9.7x ln e. So by transposing the terms, we can get the value of x equal to 7.7432. Okay. So x ni siya, no? Still x. Ko lang ning note, no? Okay? So an application of the logarithm in economics is this one, no? When we want to get the value of n here, ang iyang period, no, in economics. So we have s, the sum, no, is equal to p, the principal, times 1 plus I to the power of n. And then we can get, since s is equal to 2p, so we have we substitute this one here, no. Okay, so with that we can cancel out the p. Okay, so what remains is 2 is equal to 1.08 to the power of n. So we make this the coefficient by using logarithm. So log of 2. Of course, we can use also ln. No? So equal to logarithm of this one. No? So ang n mahimo ng coefficient. So n log 1.08. So we will transpose this log, no, this expression here to the other side as a denominator na. So mo na ning n ro, no. N is equal to log of 2 divided by log of 1.08. So we get n equal to 9. So period of 9, or rather 9 periods, no. So if it is months, so 9 months. If it is years, 9 years. Okay. So if this is per annum, so it will take you 9 years to double your principal, no? Okay, 2 times P man. Okay? So power plant, so mo na ni siya, no? So natay mga expression sa iyang temperature, relationship between temperature and pressure. So ang iyang kuan is isentropic, no? Or rather polytropic kay N naman siya, no? So we have a process, this one, and then we want to get the value of n here, no? So medyo complicated siya tanawon, but let's try to find out, no? So we already given T2 and T1, so we substitute, no, all the temperatures, no? Then we have 5. If we divide this one, we get 5. Then if we divide this one, we get 8. So whole numbers pa gyud. So what problema, no? So n minus 1 over n. So we extract or we apply logarithm. So logarithm 5 then is equal to logarithm 8 to the power of n minus 1. So over n. So we have n minus 1 over n. Mo na ni siya. Nahimo na siyang coefficient. And then we have n minus 1 over n is equal to this one, no? Original niyang expression here, no? Log of 5 o log of 8. So we have we cross multiply, no? We cross multiply here, and then this one, no? So we have a log of 8 times quantity n minus 1 is equal to n log 5. So we get this value of logarithm of 8. So we get 0.9303 n minus 1 man, so negative 0.903. No? Then is equal to 0.699 n. Okay, so quantita, no? Collect like terms. So this one and this one collect like terms. So we have we subtract this one. We have 0.204 n is equal to 903, and then we get n by dividing 0.903 by 0.204. We get n equal to 4.426.